Alright, if your Dyson vacuum, expect dc41, or most ball units, if it's making a loud whistling noise, 90% of the time it's going to be the exhaust filter. So to get to the exhaust filter, you'll have a cap like this. You don't need any tools. You just unscrew the cap like this. Keep on going until you can lift it up, and presto, it lifts up. Now this Dyson filter looks pretty good on this side, but if you turn it to the left where it unclicks and we look underneath there, you can see that it's kind of dirty. This particular vacuum cleaner, it wasn't making a whistling noise, but most of the time they start whistling because your filter is dirty. Order a new filter on Amazon, get the new filter, put it on, it locks right in, you'll put this back and that'll solve your problem. But 90% of all the Dyson vacuums, especially the ball units, if you've got a cap like this on your machine, it's always going to be this exhaust filter. When it whistles, it's just telling you it's time for a new filter. That's it.